Are there any significant restrictions or common pitfalls that can disqualify a 1031 exchange?
Yeah. The most common misunderstanding in a 1031 is that that the exchanger only has to reinvest the cash that they've earned in order to have no tax. So as an example, we'll just use an easy one. I'm selling at 500,000. I owe 300,000. I have to buy at 200,000 when I buy a replacement property, right? This is wrong. If I sell at 500,000, I have to buy at 500,000, no matter what I owe on the property. That's the most common misconception.
Okay.
Is the balancing the loan side. The 1031 has to, in other words, if you want your taxable event not to happen, if you want to defer all the tax into the property that you're buying, you have to buy equal or greater value. The equity has to be equal or greater in what you buy. So in other words, I can't pull some cash out and use it elsewhere and replace that with a loan. And then the debt, if you have debt, needs to be equal or greater on the buy side. Or replace it with cash, because obviously if you buy equal or greater and you have some debt, you got to figure out how you're going to replace the debt. You're either going to get another loan on the buy side, or you're going to add cash to it. So that's the most common misconception, is the equal or greater value.